Hello friends, I am a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional shape. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Its faces are square in shape. Example for dice, etc. Rubik's cube, box, etc. Hello friends, I am a cuboid. Cuboid is a three-dimensional shape. It has 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 corners. Its faces are rectangular in shape. Example: candle box, juice packet, match box, eraser, etc. I am a cone. A cone is 3D dimensional shape with a circular base and a curved surface that meet at a point. Example: ice cream cone, birthday cap, carrot, Christmas tree, funnel. I am a cylinder. Cylinder is a three-dimensional shape. It has 2 flat circular base and 1 curved surface. Example: marker, paint bottle, battery, candle, glue.